If your bowls are missing lids or they're all orange and nasty, then you might want to look at these Cook with Color. Not only are they gorgeous, look at the blue ombre. I have different colors and patterns to choose from. This is the pattern that I got. These are top rack dishwasher safe. They do have the non-skid bottom. Best feature by far for me, because I lose lids all the time, is that they freaking nest with the lids on. I never lose my lids. I've had these for a couple months now. As you can see, they are not warped. They are not dingy. They are not stained. We use these for everything. I'm gonna put them in the link below. I think every kitchen needs a set of these.